guys, Mike is back with another video. Today we're going to take a look DYU C2 model. This is a company, I think it's not the brand new company. They do electric bicycles, but this model is on the middle tier. They have a lot expensive version and a lot cheaper version depending what you like. It's a lot bigger ones, so like my other bike, and a lot smaller ones. They're smaller than this. So C2, as you can see on the picture in the video, you're not gonna be seeing all these quality wise, like a fit and finish, everything like comes together, built, squeeze quality. I'm gonna put a lot of close-up shots. I'm trying to give you the most possible information, so all the plus and minuses about this bike, right? But when you unbox, you're gonna understand like you spend the money for the right products. The first thing you're gonna look on the electric bikes, a lot of people doing huge mistake. They buying the frame without the removable battery. The first huge mistake. When you do buy the bicycle without the removable battery, because the battery is gonna die very more often, right? So this the bicycle, you can remove battery. Okay, you can buy the external batteries, like a couple batteries if you're gonna do the long trips or you're gonna do the commute. You can buy extended batteries and you can charge on the 2 spots and you can sweep between them very easy. So it's gonna be fit right here. So battery wise, because the motor is not the 500 watts, it's the peaks at 350 watts, 250 watts, and the 16-inch wheels are a lot smaller, so you're gonna feel a lot of torque. These uphills I'm gonna put in the shots, it pulls very easy. Bikes, they're rated for 265 pounds, but I'm around 220, 215 pounds, but it's handles without any problem those the city uphills and downhills, right? I get sweat because we was riding, it's like a lot. So the handlebars, of course, it's not going to be like a mountain bike handlebars, but very comfortable, adjustable. You're going to pull this part and you're going to adjust wherever's the position you're going to like, and you just slap it, so it's going to be sitting the handlebars very comfortable. Acceleration and for 3 different mode, like a first gear, third gear, second gear, right? All that stuff. It's going to give you how much input you're going to put on the pedals. So more higher gears, it's going to be more the electric motor is going to be involved, right? It's very nice. Both sides going to be 2 disc brakes. I adjusted both brakes because from factory I don't like how the adjustments, and so I adjusted. It comes with the key, like a super nice key, so it's going to fit a lot of the space. You're going to adjust and you're going to have no problem with that. So the brakes, of course, as you can see, this is now the turn on. The wheels is turning, right? But both brakes has a sensor. As soon as you start braking, it's going to be cuts off the power. So you're not going to be accelerating and you're going to hit something, right? And the both brakes is connected. As soon as you click the brakes, it's going to get lights on the back. This is for the city safety. You have a lock. It comes with this. So you're going to just install it with the key and it's going to be sitting there when you're going to any city places. You can just lock it and go inside. So design wise, I was looking this bike, mountain bike, I have a suspension on the front, but this one suspension on the middle, and it's amazingly good, very smooth. It's gonna cut a lot of bumps. So you feel on your handlebar the bumps, but you don't feel on your body. So on my mountain bike, I don't feel on the handlebar any bumps, but on the body, once the rear wheels hits the bump, I feel it. Even my seats, like it goes suspension and up and down, right? It's automatic up and down, or how's it called? So folds very easy. You can throw inside your any trunk and you can just remove from the trunk. The pedals also is foldable. It helps a lot to fitting inside the truck. And the brakes, of course, for that price you guys paying, you're not gonna get hydraulic brakes, but even these brakes, it holds decently. So you can stop, you can slide these 16-inch Kenner tires, right? The tires are very good. On my unicycle, I had the same tires, and the work is many miles. Because let me show the front. Because on these tires, on the middle, it's gonna be a lot harder, and the side is gonna be for the traction. So this part is gonna hold a lot longer. So as you can see, every latches is very nice and quality and lockable, so you're not gonna feel any vibration through the frames. The frame is very stiff, and when you lock, it's also external lock, the safety locks, so you have to dislodge first. But when you lock, it's the bike is like a solid. You see, it's like very nice. Tightly fit together, right? Doesn't shake, doesn't rattle. The back you have 25 kilos the rack, but it's gonna lift 40-50 kilos without any problems. It's very, very solidly built, and the weldings, everything is very, very good. Again, the battery life is gonna be 250, like 500 watts, a lot bigger. The bikes, like a fat tire bikes. This one is gonna be a lot more range for the smaller batteries because of 16-inch wheels, and the motor is 250 watts, and the maximums are 350 watts. So you're not gonna use a lot of batteries, and the rolling resistance is gonna be a lot less because of 16-inch wheels. And yeah, the battery lasts very, very good. So mainly when you're pedaling, we're gonna put a lot of shots inside. So mainly you're pedaling, the battery lasts for 1 day, right? Whatever you're gonna do, city commute. We're going like a one city to other city, and we're gonna go back now. So the battery is more than enough. When you pedal assistance, it's gonna last very, very good. Back to the seat, right? Seat comes very comfortable. The Kenyan bike, it's cost way more, thousands of more than this bike, but I bought aftermarket. Still, I put from the top is something comfortable to beat it, because I'm riding like a 30 to 40 miles or 50 miles a day. So on these seats, I'm sitting very, very nice and comfortable. And you have a handlebar here on the seat, so when you're loading, it helps a lot. So when they designed the areas, they think about it, how we're gonna design it. I think so they tested and design it. So you have a back wheels, you have a reflectors here, and the front you have a very nice bright headlights. As you can see, the small headlights. We're gonna give the shots for you with my expensive aftermarket headlights with my bicycle as high beam, low beam, but this one's gonna be just a single beam, but it's decently light. It's gonna be brights up your waist, right, without any problem. So you have a bell light right here. And if you have headlights is on, you have a light, the button right here, it's on, so you know your headlight is on. Also on the seats, I always try to adjust my automatic seats. I have a one button that's like up and down seats, but I don't have a number, so every time I try to catch my heights. But on this one, it says the numbers on it, so you know what's your seat height, all that stuff. So it's a great small bike, but it's gonna give you a lot comfort, you can put a lot of range. Reason why I got this, I ride the bicycle a lot, so I have a lot of guests. I have family members who cannot catch up with me, so when I'm riding with them, I cannot ride very slow. So you're gonna make the gift for your family, or you're gonna buy for yourself, and you can alter between them. So whoever gonna ride with you, if you have younger children or your kids, right, they cannot catch up with you, you're gonna just give them the bike, and they will next to you. You guys can enjoy your rides, right? Amazing bike. I'm very glad I got this. Maybe I'm gonna buy the bigger one from this company, because all the bikes they're offering is a removable battery, replaceable battery. So bikes itself is gonna last forever. Only that you're gonna change the tires and brakes. And the batteries, I don't worry about the batteries, because the company offers the batteries. If the batteries dies, I just buy the new one and I replace it. So overall, what I can see for the price, they're offering very nice deals, and for the price, is very nice bike. It doesn't come with the water bottle holder. We're gonna ride a lot, so I put the bottle holder here. I'm gonna put the later on better bell. No, it is a decent bell, and I needed just a bag to put my tools, and so I can enjoy like unlimited rides. Yeah, the seats, the kickstands is very nice. It's how solid it stays, right? It's not gonna drop, it's not gonna go anyway. You just put it there, and very easy to unlock, and you just ride it and you enjoy it. So up to 6 feet, I think the tall guys can ride it. The torque is very nice, and the turning radius is very good. The brakes has to be beat on. You're gonna ride a little bit, so it's gonna be like it's gonna get a lot better. I adjust the brakes, so just a 2-finger the brakes. So every time you adjust the brake, hit the brakes, it's gonna stop right away. So very nice the bicycle, what I can say. Only the problem I have to order. I cannot mount this on my the big SUV. I have a bike rack. So what you're gonna order? You're gonna order one bar. It goes from front to seat, so you can hang this bar to the bike rack. So only that. If you don't want to throw inside the trunk, the bike rack, you need the one bar here for the bike rack bar. Other than that, I cannot say any bad stuff. Right, suspensions, adjustable suspensions, as you can see, and your body doesn't feel at all. Like everything goes through the suspensions, only the handlebar you feel it. I feel on my handlebar a little bit, and the body it's going to be like absolutely smooth. Splash guards, everything is like fixed very nice and strong. Nothing rattles, solid frame. I think 250 pounds person, it can ride like all day without any problem, many years. Great bike. I'm out. I'll see you in the next video, guys.